Okay, turning up on my audio. Hello, hi everyone. How you doing? Good morning or good afternoon, evening, wherever you are. We are doing another VTuber coding battle today, and I'm here with the actual NASDAQ DA. His name is Nirino. Is that how I pronounce it? Nirino?
However you pronounce it works fine for me. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah,
that's
do you want
way too
to?
nice of an introduction for me. Like I'm, but when you did the whole marketing for this thing, if you can like
Yeah.
quote unquote marketing, I was like, man, people will think that I'm like some big shot. I work for like this big company and like shit. I'm just a random ass guy who barely knows how to write basic code. And this is gonna be this is gonna be something. By the way, hello guys. My name is Nirino. I don't know. I'm your resident NASDAQ DA, guys. Woo!
Whoa. I mean, that does sound pretty impressive and freaking NASDAQ DA.
Uh, it sounds more impressive than it actually is. Like with most jobs,
Mm,
the thing is with like a lot of SVE jobs and like IT related jobs. Like when I say IT, I mean like software engineering, data analyst, data science. Like a lot of these jobs, they sound super fancy because it's like intimidating. It looks like, oh, there's so
hmm
much to learn and stuff. Once you start doing it, it's like it's. I feel like writing is more impressive than doing like data analytics. Because writing is actually like really hard. Writing a good thing is really hard. Doing like
mm.
decent data analytics is not that hard.
I mean, do you want to tell them what you actually do on the job? Yeah, I mean, today I just
Uh,
learned that you haven't written code in like 6 months.
oh yeah, this is gonna go great because I haven't written a single line of code in like 6 months. I can't because I have an ADA, and I think I would be breaching like a lot of. Fuck. Now that I think about it, I hope I didn't breach anything by telling you that I work as a DA. It's not. It's probably not an issue, but yeah. I just write a lot. I work with Bash basically, with like servers Bash. Like
Mm,
when you say data analytics, it's not like the data analytics that most people imagine. Most people imagine data analytics as you take data and then you try to visualize it or do something. In my case, it's basically just doing data, like working with financial data and like informing clients about it. So
mm,
it's a lot less typical, but it still counts as like quote unquote data analytics. And because that's what the job description tells me, that's what I use to flex for other employers. I'm like, guys, I'm a data analyst at NASDAQ. Hire me. Hey.
hey,
Uh,
oh,
oh God.
so you don't use like SQL or anything on the job?
Hell no. Hell no. Fucking no. You give me way too much credit.
All right, but yeah, to be honest, I didn't do much on my previous software engineering job either. It was like it was like nice title, but actual job was pretty simple too. Yes,
Yeah.
job titles.
Do you
Hmm.
wanna set up the room and let's just jump right into this, like
Yeah, let's
Philippines style?
go. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes, I can. I believe I can. Can I?
All
Yes, I
right.
can.
So here we're gonna select like all the topics that it could possibly generate for questions. I'm gonna turn off all the hard and medium questions because uh I'm not that good and you haven't coded in 6 months.
Thank you. Thank you.
hmm
Okay,
Okay.
so
If you see any topic that you like or don't like, let me know. I'm just gonna turn on what I know. Usually we only keep like half of these on. You don't know
okay,
nothing.
I was already like expecting you to just give everything to like just select everything. I was like, oh no, this is gonna go really bad. Anything that I
Yeah.
see like anything binary, I was like, fuck, this is gonna go really
Yeah,
bad.
yeah, yeah. I always turn off the bit manipulation stuff too. Do you know about
Yo,
trees?
Yeah, I had to code a tree for one of my assignments in my second year of uni, but everything I did, I literally just straight up copied it from Geeks for Geeks. Everything. And I was like, I felt so guilty because I was like, man, I'm just copying code. But then like I realized that everybody does it, and I was like, oh, I should save myself some time.
I mean, as you said, most engineers Google stuff on the job, so it's
Yeah.
preparing you for the real world.
Yeah, it's sometimes like At first, I remember I felt like hella when I began uni. I felt like hella imposter syndrome. I was like everybody felt like everybody was doing super well, and I was like
Hmm.
struggling with the most basic stuff. And then I was like, because I didn't want to cheat, I wanted to like to learn everything properly. So I was using like the mindset of my high school days. I was trying to like
Hmm.
read through books, read through articles, try to really understand it. Then I realized, yo, I don't really need to understand shit. I can just like copy and use it. And if it works, it's good enough.
Mm.
So that's what I kind of stayed with.
I mean, I feel like for
Stayed with.
coding, a really nice, like basic, strong foundation is good. And then you can start copying stuff once you have that, nice
Yeah, yeah,
foundation. You understand what to copy, whatnot.
yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure.
Oh, look, it's your specialty shell.
Yay, woo! I
I'm
hope I
definitely keeping
remember all
that.
the commands. I hope I remember some
I
of the
thought you said you
commands.
use shell all the time on your job.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But yeah, yeah, I do, I do, I do.
All right. Well, I don't know
Yeah.
shell, so if we get a shell problem, it'll be pretty funny.
No, but that depends of how they'll expect us to use the shell. Like if they might expect us to like I don't know, they might expect us to use like OS libraries or something, and those are like not super simple to like work with.
Oh.
So we'll see, we'll see. There might be very like a lot of the coding questions that I've done, I think, for like of the little time I've spent doing like lead code, all of them were I think were just literally just algorithm questions, like pure
Mhm.
algorithms and nothing more. So
Yeah,
we'll see how
I
this goes.
yeah, I feel like that's mainly it. Although recently I've seen a surge in like SQL and yeah, SQL questions. But
I mean, for a programming skill is pretty much like an Excel for like a BA or something like that, because like it's never gonna die. The same way that
yeah,
every company like 80% of companies still use Excel, the same goes for like databases. Like 80% of companies still use like SQL. Nobody's gonna switch from it. So
yeah.
might as well just work with it, like accept it, especially because it's not that hard.
Hmm. Yeah. Row column tables are like a
Yeah,
here to stay.
because for most jobs you don't need to know everything. You just need to know like you don't need to know how to like Uh, what, what let, let me see what comes to mind for like well okay, that depends. If you're like a database engineer, okay, you need to know everything, but that's fair because you're like a DB engineer. But if you're working as like an analyst, you just need to know how to like query things. So like you need to
Hmm.
know joins and queries. That's pretty much it. So um, you know
Mm.
it doesn't really, it's not required of you to be an expert. You don't need to know how to like create databases, how to apply those those things where it's like rules for your databases. Like if like an you apply a value, how to like process it, how to check it. Like
Yeah.
there's like I don't there's like a term for that in databases. I don't remember what it's called. Like it's not alerts, but it's something similar. Uh,
Oh, callback, something like that? I don't know.
yeah, yeah, something like there's a term for it, but I do not remember, and I do not remember what it's called. But you have to like create them and use them and whatever. I remember I worked with them, but I barely understood how to code them. I just sort of winged it like for 80% of my course. Anyways,
Mm.
did you select all of the room settings?
Yeah.
All of
Do
this
you want
configuration?
databases?
Nah, no, no, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay, I'm just gonna scroll through here very slowly and you tell me if you're fine with the settings. Again,
I'm
everything's good
probably
if you
gonna
don't
be
wanna.
fine.
You
I'm
sure?
probably gonna be. No, you know what? Deselect all the binary stuff.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All the binary stuff.
Unless you're okay with me googling all of this, because I would be like, okay, Google, how to do this, how do you do this. Uh, the surprising thing about me and coding is that I despise OOP. I hate OOP.
Really? OOP, why
Yeah,
OOP?
I I'd ra- I'd rather code in like functional like languages than code in OOP. I would rather actually code in Haskell than code in like Java.
No way. Why functional?
No, I mean both are bad. Like I'd rather do neither. but I just really dislike object oriented. Like,
But those are your like two main options.
I know, I know. That's why I'm not an engineer. That's why I'm a data analyst because I don't need to use them. Because everything in data analytics is procedural, so you don't
Oh,
need to use any of that. And like everything in like machine learning is also procedural. You don't need to use any object oriented stuff. So it's so freaking good.
oh dang, you found a way to avoid it.
Yeah, that's I min maxed coding. Yeah, all of this like looks good. Like it looks good enough.
Okay, I'll save the settings then, and I'll make the room, and I'll send it to you.
Okay, I'm waiting patiently the code.
All right, there you go.
Uh,
Oh, you might have to keep a
uh,
timer on your side too for like 1 hour. The timer's on my OBS.
uh, okay. Can we just do a thing where you like every 50 minutes you like tell me like how that like 45 minutes is left, 30 minutes is
Oh,
left, 50 minutes is
yeah, I
left.
can do that.
Can you do that? Okay, that would work perfectly.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah. If you're ready, you can do the honors and do a countdown, and I can start the timer.
Oh my God. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Good luck.
Okay. Good luck to you as well. Okay, so I'm gonna be thinking out loud because it. Oh my God, dynamic. No, who? What is this? No, just do this. Okay,
Oh,
enable
I
dynamic.
usually mute myself and the other person while I'm doing this, by the way, so we don't give like each other hints.
Oh, we don't
And
give each other answers. Sure. Okay, I can mute myself. I can mute myself and I'll just commentate.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
we'll
Yeah.
still talk to
Okay.
each other from time to time, though. Yeah. See
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Good
Okay.
luck.
Good luck.
All right. Hey guys, we're alone together now. Um, largest three same digit number in string. You are given a string num representing a large integer. An integer is good if it meets the following conditions. It is a substring of num with length 3. What? You're given a string num representing a large integer. Okay. An integer is good if it is a substring of num. Okay, an integer is good if it is a substring of num with length 3. It consists of only one unique digit. Huh? Only one unique digit. Return the maximum good integer as a string, or an empty string if no such integer exists. A substring, okay, there may be leading zeros and nums, or a good integer. Huh, that's a good integer? 7 is the largest, so we return 777. Okay, so it has to be length 3. It consists of only one unique digit. Only one digit is allowed? Okay. Huh. I feel like we can just brute force this, just search from start to end. So it has to be length 3, and it consists of only one unique digit. Only one number can be inside of it. Huh. Do we just go from start to end? Yeah, we just go from start to end, right? And every freaking substring, or like, are all the characters the same? If yes, then return it. Yeah, I feel like that's what we do, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can sequentially check if exists in num in that order. Oh wait, return the maximum one. Oh, return the maximum one. Okay, so we had to start from like 9 and 8 and 7. Okay. If we cannot find any of the above integers, we return an empty string. Oh. Huh. I still feel like we can check every 3. No? and then store the biggest one. Krishna says, hello. Hello, how you doing? I'm in a coding battle with Nirino right now. Exists in num in that. Why in this specific order though? I mean, this is sliding window, really? Huh. I just check every 3, right? And then store the biggest one. You know what? I think I'll do it that way. That's end time, right? Yeah, that's freaking end time. Yeah, proportional to length. Okay. So we'll check every 3 and keep track of the biggest one that's has the same characters. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay. For I int I is equal to 0, I is less than num dot length. Okay, we gotta be careful here. We have to stop at the third to last one. So this would mean the last one, right? 1, 2, minus 2, right? Minus 2. So paranoid. 0, 1, 2. Ideally, I want to stop here. So minus 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. Okay, yeah, we're good. It's only good string when it contains from 0, 0, 0 to 999. Return biggest. Yeah, I'm thinking check every 3, right? Check every 3. And if it's all the same, then save it, I guess. And return the biggest one. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, yeah, that sounds like a plan. So then we have string current is equal to num dot substring from I to I plus, it's not inclusive, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Let's do a sanity check. Let's print out every triplet. Current triplet, I guess. Print ln current triplet. And then we'll return null for now. Okay, let's run this thing. Minus 2, I plus plus. Run. Okay. Nice. 677, 777. Do we have 339? Yes, 339. Okay. So we just have to check if all of these are like the same, huh? Hung Nguyen says, hi. Hello, Hung. How you doing? Okay. So we need to check if the characters are all equal, right? If current triplet dot character at 0 is equal to current triplet dot character at 1, okay, and 1 is equal to 2. And the first character is equal to the second one, then it's a triplet. Yeah, okay. All right. Let's do string max is equal to just nothing so far. What do we return if there's nothing? Just empty? Yeah, just empty. Okay. Okay, we only need to convert, well, sure, let's do if, actually, let's store it as an int. Integer dot min underscore value. Okay. Okay, what now? We need to check if our current triplet is bigger than the current max, right? If integer dot parse. Wait, let's convert it to a string first. Current int is equal to integer dot parse int the max. Wait, what am I doing? The current triplet. Hasub Khan says hello. Hi Hasub Khan, how you doing? Integer dot parse int current triplet. You know what? Let's do another sanity check. Let's print out the current integer that we parsed. Current int. So now we should only print out the integers with the same digits all the way through. Yeah. So we have 7773333. Okay, very nice. I think we're on the right track. 0, oh, just 0, 0, 0. Oh, should we actually, you know what? Let's throw this as a string. Yeah, I think that's a good idea because we'll need to store 3 zeros somehow, and we can't do that in integers. Okay, so now we need to update the max. If the current int is greater than integer.parse int the max, then max is equal to the current triplet. And then we return, well, let's do a sanity check first. We return the current triplet. I wonder how Nirino is doing right now, by the way. The first thing I heard was just him complaining about the first problem, dynamic programming. Cannot find simple current triplet. Oh, the max. So if this works, we can plug in our answer. Oh, what's this? Oh, shizzle. I guess if max is already equal to nothing, yeah, so the pass condition is if max is equal to nothing already, or the current int is greater than the max, then max is equal to the current triplet. Okay. Okay, so yeah, okay. Our answer was 777. Oh, nothing. You know what? I think we got it. Unless the runtime is just terrible. So we print out max here. Oh, I forgot. I have to remind him every 15 minutes too, right? Hey, let's go. It worked. All right. Moment of truth. We can start submitting. Please work. Holy. Yeah, let's go. Whoa. Okay. What is this? Dishant Chowdhury. Hi, Dishant. How are you doing? You're given a string word containing distinct lowercase English letters. Oh, wait. This looks hard. What the frick? Telephone keypads have keys mapped with distinct collections of lowercase English letters. Right? Okay, sure. For B, we press 2 times. It is allowed to remap the keys number 2 to 9 to distinct collection of numbers. The keys can be remapped to any amount of letters, but each letter must be mapped to exactly one key. You need to find the minimum number of times the keys will be pushed to type the string word. Return the minimum number of pushes needed to type word after remapping the key. Oh my goodness. This sounds hard. Do not map to any letters. Oh my goodness. The frick? A, B, C, D, E. Oh, I see. So you push. Oh, I see. This is 3014, in case you're wondering. Deep puck. Okay. I think I see where the intuition comes from. You're trying to push all the number to the earliest as possible in a button, right? Yeah. Okay. You know what? I think I'm starting to see how to do this. 2 pushes on. Why do they put X on? Do any numbers repeat? Why do they put Y on 2 pushes here? So you need 1 push, 2 pushes on key 2. Yeah, why do they do that? C. Okay, I see that they're trying to. They're trying to put as many as possible on one button, right? Have you used keypad mobile? Have I? I don't think I have. I have no memory of doing so. Wait, it can be shown that no other mapping can provide a lower cost? Really? What? Not even if you switch like... Wait, really? This is the only solution? Or is this like one of the many solutions? So you don't have any idea about this? Well, I think well, I've seen my parents use like Motorola phones, right? And that like Nokia brick thing. So I think I know what they're talking about here. It looks hard though. It looks really hard. So I think they're all trying to push, most of the letters onto the first of a button. And then why do they put D though? Do any buttons okay, you know what? I'll do this problem next. No thanks, I'll do this problem last. Oh frick, I forgot to remind him. Oh, hello, I forgot to remind you, there's like 42 minutes left. Just time check in.
Yeah, all good, all good. I'm doing great, guy. I'm doing great, by the way.
Really? Which
It's,
problem are you
it's,
doing?
uh, yeah, I'm actually on the last one. I'm just gonna submit them all at once, actually.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dang, interesting uh
I'm doing this for the dramatic effect.
strategy. Okay. See ya then.
Okay. Good luck.
I don't
Good
know
luck.
whether to
Good
be
luck.
scared or not. Good luck. Dang, he's planning to submit them all at the end. So we don't know what he has done at any given time. He's doing the last one. Find target indices after sorting array. You are given a 0-indexed integer array nums, okay, and a target element target. A target index in index I such that nums I is equal to target. What? Nums I? Oh, okay. A target index I, okay. Return a list of the target indices. A list after sorting nums in non-decreasing order, no, so ascending order. If there are no target indices, return an empty list. So, wait, target index I such that nums I is equal to target. Oh, you're returning all the indices that equal to target. Okay. So yeah, 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, target. So you're returning 1 and 2, 0, 1, 0, 1. Wait, what? After sorting nums is, okay. After sorting nums is, wait, this is really interesting. Do we actually have to sort it? The brute force will be the sort, right? Try sorting the array first. I don't want to sort. Now find all the indices in the array whose values are equal to target. Wait. Can't we just like run through the array once and see which numbers are less than my thing? Right? Right? Yeah, I just need to go from start to end in the array and see like how many elements are beneath me. Yeah, there's no need to sort, right? There's no need to sort. Basically what the statement says. I mean, it says sorting in parentheses. Yeah, so you just have to go through all the array from start to end, right? And then find everything that's less than the target. So that means that's how many elements are behind me in the sorted form. Yeah. And then let's say there's 3 elements before me. So I start on index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. And if there's more than 1, 3, yeah, if there's more than 1, 3, then I do 3, 4, whatever else I need. Well, yeah, that's the plan, right? That's the plan. So we count in one pass how many numbers are less than the target and how many times target appears. And the indices are number of elements less than me to, keep counting until you fill up your number of targets. Okay. That sounds like a plan. Wait, this actually makes me so nervous. Holy, we know since he's summating everything in the end. Okay, so okay, we need to keep count, right? Nums less than target is equal to 0, and int target appearances is equal to 0. I feel like we don't have to sort the array, right? Okay, let's just try this first. For int num in nums, if the num is less than the target, then nums less than target plus, yay. And else if num is equal to the target plus. Okay, and at the end here, list integer result is equal to new array list. Yeah, new array list. Okay, so what happens if we see like one number less than us, then we start at index 1, right? Okay. So for int I is equal to nums less than target, because I guess we start at index 0, that makes sense. And I is less than, holy crud, these names. Nums less than target plus target appearances. Let me run through this example here. So we have two appearances of 2, right? So 1, you need to use shortest names, shorter names. Yeah. What do I rename this to? Under target. Sure. Target count. There we go. And then target count. This is wrong. Plus target count. Okay, that's better. So what happens if under target is 1? 0, 1 plus 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's a less than sign, so it should be fine. I plus plus. Okay. Hasubkansis, how are you? I'm good. I got very nice sleep last night. It was nice. Okay, result.add I. And then you return the result. Okay, let's run this thing. See how we did. Shizzle, it works, guys. Should we submit? Man, I have no idea how Nirino is doing now. He says he's gonna submit everything at the end, huh? So you could have 0 or 4. I feel bad. Okay, screw it, let's submit. Let's freaking go! Whoa. Yeah! Well, I'm up 2-0 for now. Okay, Nirino says he's on this one, right? Oh, minimum number of seats, minimum number of moves to seat everyone. There are n available seats and n students standing in a room. N available seats and n students. Okay, same number. You are given an array seats of length n. You are given an array seats of length n. Okay, same number. Where seats I is the position of the ith seat. Okay. You are also given the array students of length n, where students j is the position of the jth student. The current? Okay. Oh, this is so confusing. You may perform the following move any number of times. Increase or decrease the position of the ith student by 1. Moving the ith student from position x to x plus 1 or x minus 1. Huh. Like swapping? Return the minimum number of moves required to move each student to a seat such that no two students are in the same seat. What? Are they not already in different seats? Note that there may be multiple seats or students in the same position at the beginning. Huh. So like students are just stacked on each other the seats. What? Okay. 315. The seats are 315. Seats I is the position of the ith seat. But there are n available seats, aren't there? To a seat such that no two students are in the same seat. Okay, the seats are 315 apparently. Students are 274. Output 4. The first student is moved from position 2, okay, position 2 to position 1. Okay, sure. The second student is moved from position 7 to position 5 using 2 moves. Okay, sure. I thought you said there are n available seats. So these are the only seats we can use, huh? Students is equal to 274, okay. Is moved from position 4 to position 3 using 1 move. Okay. I see what they're doing. 1, 3, 2, 6. Is this backtracking? Or is there a greedy solution to this? Okay. This is kind of tricky too because 2 is the same distance away from 1 and 3. How do we know which one to go for? Because we know there's other students that can... We know there's a student at 4, right? That can take seat 3. Oh my goodness. Is this freaking recursion? Is this backtracking? Do we actually have to find every single... every single... Oh no. Do we have to find every single... Do we sort it? Just backtracking. We actually have to try every single move. Like moving each in +1, -1. And if a student is out of bounds, then that's the wrong move. Are there any hints here? Can we sort the... Oh. Oh. Is that how you do it? Oh, right, I need to remind him. Heyo, 30 minutes left. Or 28 minutes left.
Thanks for reminding me. Thanks for informing me. I'm doing, as I said, doing great. Having a grand old time.
I still can't tell if you're doing really well or really badly.
No, I'm doing great.
Okay.
Okay.
See
Thanks
ya.
for informing me.
Can we sort the arrays? Okay. If we sort them, I guess we can map each of the students to... Oh, we just sort them, huh? So 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 2, wait, 2? First student moves from position 1 to position 2, okay. Second student moves from position 3 to position 6. Oh, it's corresponding to the indices. Oh, he solved largest 3 same digit number string. Hey, you solved the problem, let's go.
Yay! Woo!
I thought you were saving it to the end, man.
Yeah, but I just wanna, what's the word? I just wanna, make it more fair. I just wanna,
Oh.
man, I'm just gonna make it more fair. So I'm just gonna do another one. It's gonna go great. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't question my methods. There's a method to my insanity.
All right. Good luck. See
Yeah.
you. All right, so he was bluffing. He was freaking bluffing. But hey, the score is pretty close now. This is pretty exciting. I see. So we just sort them and match them to the corresponding seat, huh? 3 goes with 6. Third student is not moved. He's still at 2. Fourth student is at 6. I see. I see. Wait. Yeah. Frickin', okay. We just sort both of them. Wait, that's not that bad. Yeah. And the students and seats on the same index go to each other. Yeah, okay. Int moves is equal to 0, and we sort both of them. Arrays dot sort seats. Arrays dot sort students. Heck yes. Wait, I forgot. Is this actually how you sort arrays? Let me print them out just to be safe. Arrays dot toString seats. Wait, I'm actually so happy right now. My previous 2 battles were like me winning 4-0 or 3-0. This is gonna be actually a close battle. It makes me pretty excited. Oh, let's return -1 for now. Okay, what do we have? 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 7. Very nice. We know how to sort. For int I is equal to 0. I is less than seats dot length. Very nice. I plus plus moves plus equals seats math dot absolute value. Is that how you do absolute value in Java? Java absolute value. Abs. Math dot abs. Is it? Math dot abs. Okay, yeah. And we do seats I minus students I. Yeah, okay. Let's print out moves before we return it. Moves. Run that thing. Man, the hints are really helpful for the solutions today. 4, 4, very nice. Freaking 7, 7. 4, 4. Yeah, once you know the solution, it's like pretty simple. Okay, now I'm feeling kind of bad about submitting. I'm gonna go up 3-0. I mean 3-1. That doesn't feel good for him. Return moves. Run this thing. This code is like really simple. Kind of pretty actually. All right. Ooh, I feel kind of bad again. I don't want to go up 3-1. There's no getting around this. Let's submit. Hey, let's go. All right, we have 3-0. Nirino just solved largest 3 same-digit number string. Is this the first one? Did I solve this? Oh, I just solved this. Okay. That means it's the phone problem. No. Frickin'. And we have 8 keys. We can type 8 characters in one push. The optimal way is to map letters to keys evenly. What if one key appears more than once? Like if A, I don't know, they mapped Y to 2 pushes, right? What if Y appears like a long time or like very frequently? Should we push it to a, yeah, shouldn't we push it to, yeah, shouldn't we make it so that it's 1 push instead of 2 pushes if we use it a lot? Or are all the characters guaranteed to be different? All the letters and words are distinct. Wait, isn't this pretty easy then? Hold up. Return the minimum number of pushes needed to type word. Wait a minute. Isn't this really easy then? We just like if all the characters are guaranteed to be different. Wait, that's so dumb. All right. Wait, so just dependent on the number of the length of the string. No? So the first 8 letters get 1, right? The next 8 get 2. Wait, yeah, that's it. That's it. Holy. This is not that bad, isn't it? And what should is equal to 0. All right. And well, yeah, this is not that bad. Okay, watch me say that and not get this problem. Hmm. So int, should I do 1 or sure, wait, for int I is equal to 0, while I is less than word dot length I plus plus. Okay. Wait, what do okay. So if, how many can be mapped to each key? 4? Okay. Wait. Okay, how do I tell that? How do I tell? Wait, how many buttons are there? 8? It is allowed to remap them to keys number 2 to 9. Oh, 1 is not included. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 keys. 8 freaking keys. Okay. Okay. Int current button, I guess. Should we track that? Sure, let's do current button. Nirino submit. Oh! Holy shit, this is actually a really close match. Let's go. Indices after sorting array. Oh! Hey, let's go. Another one. This is pretty tight.
I don't think it's gonna be pretty tight. I think it's maybe it's gonna be tight, but we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah,
We'll
this
see.
is. I am excited. See ya.
All right, how much time do we have?
Oh, we have 18 minutes left.
Fuck. Okay. Uh,
No, you got this.
no pressure. No issue. No issue.
You solved the last
Gonna
one
get,
in 18
I'm
minutes. Like,
I'm going for that dub. I'm going for that dub.
all right, see ya. Okay. Now the game is nice. Yeah, he's pretty good. I like this. Current button. Sure, let's do current button is equal to 2. Wait, I'm so confused. What? How do I track round? Like the button round? Mapping of letters, push number, pushes, button round. Sure, let's call it button round. Is equal to 1 so far. Ooh, how do we do this? Now let's do the current button. Current button is equal to 2, and we keep incrementing it. Let's do int presses needed is currently equal to 1. Okay. Sure, okay. And every time we get to 9, we increment it. So if Oh, why is my mind just breaking right now? Uh, uh, oh, I'm blanking out. What do I do? Word tile length. Okay, so pushes plus equals press is needed, right? And then you increment the button plus plus. Plus plus. Yeah, okay. Um, what happens if we get to like 9 here? So if button is greater than 9, meaning we have to reset it now. Button is equal to 2 and presses needed plus plus. That's what we do, right? Okay. Let's do return presses, yeah. Return or return pushes. Is this right? Minimum pushes. Pushes is equal to 0. Presses needed currently is 1. Looks right? Okay. Freaking hell, it worked. Dang, bro. I actually cannot believe. Let's freaking go! Yeah! Let's go!
God fucking damn it, this man.
Wait, I'm actually so surprised too. I didn't think that would work.
Well,
Oh
maybe
my
you lucked out
goodness.
on the test because they don't do a lot of tests, and they as I noticed they only do two cases, which was pretty surprising. Uh, I had a solution for this problem like in my head, and I
Uh-huh.
was working through this, and I was like, wait, am I dumb? Am I just like am I not seeing the things here? So let me
Wait,
see if
at
I can
first
work
I
out
was
this.
like, this has to be the hardest problem out of the four. It's like, and then I read the problem, wait, it's there's a catch here that makes it like not that bad. It's not
Yeah,
realistic, but that is.
when when I saw this problem, I realized that like this is not hard. Like this is not hard. I just need to work through the problem because
Yeah, yeah.
it's really intuitive in your head, and you
Hmm.
can instantly see the how you're supposed to solve it like instantly. Also, the reason why I spent like the fucking so long on the first problem is because I was just losing my mind trying to get the compiler to work. I spent no joke like 20 minutes getting the compiler to work. I'm so frustrated. It was like,
Wait,
God damn, just
really?
if I could have just coded this in like, I'm coping right now, but like if I could have just done this in like my own terminal, it would have been so much easier.
Wait, what do you mean you can't get the compiler to run? You couldn't find the run
Because
button?
no. Because I wanted to like define my own functions inside this like class. I
Oh,
was like, trying to define my own functions. It was just not letting me define functions. I was like, what do you want from me? I'm just trying to live here. God damn.
wait, what are you using?
Uh,
Python?
yeah, I was using Python. Uh, wait, let me see if I can solve this like minimum number of pushes
Yeah, yeah,
I have an idea. I have an idea here.
yeah.
So because you finished, there's like no point you can show with me right now. So the thought process here is really easy. It's like literally it depends on the amount of divisions you have, like the amount of divisions and the remainder you have. That's what it really boils down to. So like for every
Oh, you're
division
talking
above
about that.
one, yeah, for every division above one, you need to add like what do you
Oh,
how do
wait,
you
yeah, I
call
see
it?
what you're talking about. I like blanked out so hard when I was trying to think about this because it's like, wait, how do I keep track of? Because it's like 2 to 9, right? That's so inconvenient.
Two to nine?
Yeah, the
Oh,
buttons you
it's
can
two
use are
to
2 to
nine.
9.
Oh, but that's not what matters in this problem. What matters is the amount of buttons. It doesn't matter like how
Hmm.
what's the buttons like
Yeah, so,
order or like what's their name. So you
uh-huh.
basically just your number of presses is literally just uh I plus I plus division.
Hmm.
Uh, your number of presses equals
Oh,
plus equals
you're using
plus equals.
fancy stuff for this. Hmm.
No, I'm not using fancy stuff. I'm literally using like the most simple things I can because I don't remember any of the fancy stuff. The idea is that for every thing, for every division above one, you need to add one to the number of presses to every press you do. So if you track the amount of like if you count the amount of divisions, it's pretty
Wow.
easy. So it's like you just do VDLN plus
Oh,
I. Well, in this case, you would do VDLN.
huh.
Wait, wait. I need to actually go. I need to. Fuck. How do I do this?
Wait, yeah,
I
I
think
think you're mm, so you're
I
calculating how many presses you need for each digit depending on what
yeah. I'm no. The
um,
idea is that you just go through the. You go by every length. So if you
mhm,
have more than 8 characters in a string, you need to if you have like less than 8, you need to press exactly the word length buttons because you just assign the first letter to each button. For every other, you just assign it to the next button in a sense, to the next press. So you just need to double the presses. You just need to like
yeah.
do the same amount of presses but just twice. You just need to do them twice. So
Hmm.
I'm trying to figure out how to mathematically code this in like a procedural
Yeah.
manner because
Yeah, yeah.
this is not hard. I'm just trying to figure out because like you just go through like the first 8, then you go on to the
Hmm.
next 8,
Yeah.
like however many there are. But you need to have like a generic solution for this. You can't brute force this. So you kind of just need
Yeah.
to for every I that is above 0 in essence, right? If you start from 0, you
Yeah.
go and then you get one extra. You just add that I to every button press that you do. So your every button press is basically your every button press you go through for for letter in Word, you add num presses, you add plus equals 1 plus I. And then at the end, you to the number of presses, to the number of presses,
Mm.
uh, you add the division. Yeah, no, you don't add the division. You add division. Oh no, it's gonna be the floor, so it actually works out, I think. Wait, does it work out? Does that work?
Uh,
No, that you need to do
like
minus
8
one.
divided by like say
Yeah.
7 is
So
0. Maybe
yeah.
the division plus 1, maybe?
No, it's actually no. There's no way it's plus one. It would be minus one. Division. You just you. It's for the remainder to calculate the remainder because you might have a remainder for
Hmm.
the amount of the fuck. And I did this wrong. This is modulo 8.
Hmm.
Modulo 8. So for the division, you basically do this, and you need to multiply the remainder for the remainder of the presses.
Wow.
I'm just trying to figure out if the division needs to be minus one or can it be left like that. Well, it's less.
Okay, I think I'm pretty lost at what you're doing right now. I do not
uh,
do remainders or like modulo
rem-
stuff,
Remainder.
like division stuff. Uh,
Uh, I'll run this once and just see. I didn't print this. Print.
yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Oh, hi
print.
Three, how you doing?
Let's see. Minimum pushes. What do you mean? Remainder? Did I? Did I? Oh, I didn't write this. I'm so used to just having like everything like an autocomplete on this stuff. What did I do? Output expected. What did I print on the second one? That's what I'm. Oh, I printed 0.
Hmm.
Well, ain't that well ain't that fancy?
Wait, do you want to share your
Uh,
screen? Maybe we can see what you're doing too.
oh, I thought you were looking. I thought you were looking. Let me actually quickly share my screen,
Yeah.
and I just need to find. not VTube Studio. Minimum number. Yeah, minimum number of push-ups. Okay.
Nice,
So
thanks.
this is really simple. Like the idea. I'm just trying to quickly for letter in word. For each letter in the word, each press is gonna be the I. I don't even need this in essence. This is not necessary.
Okay,
For the
how do I
first one,
share
it's
the
gonna be
screen?
+0. For the second, it's gonna be +1. So if it's division, you
Window
need to
capture, word.
you need to you need to. I feel like I'm a madman. I'm just like I'm mumbling and I'm trying to figure out what the fuck I'm doing. You need
Mm-hmm.
to. It's division. The number of divisions. Yo, it's -1. It's -1 first of all. It's -1, and then you do this. The idea is that I think I should do it like this, just so I don't put in any mistakes or any other kind of stuff. So num presses, you're gonna do this, and you're gonna do this, this plus this, and theoretically this should work. And I'm gonna actually comment this out just so I can see if this, because this should be a generic solution theoretically. In theory, this should technically work. I'm fuck. This print is not necessary. Oh, you know this is a good solution when the compiler runs for like 10 minutes. Oh, I see
Hmm.
the problem. It's because I never increment I.
Oh, frick. Infinite loop.
I was like, I'm so used to like you don't do these kinds of loops in.
Oh, wait.
This is correct.
You need -2 button presses.
Wait, why is what? It's because the division times. Wait, do you can you just do it like this then? Am I dumb? No, you actually do need to minus it one. Why doesn't what?
Hmm.
Uh, huh. That's interesting. That's
Hmm.
interesting. Let's see. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you run through this 8 times.
Mm-hmm.
You run through this. You run through this 8 times. You add up to 8.
Yeah.
Then your division theoretically. Oh my fucking god! Never let me do any coding in your life, like ever.
Oh, -5? Wait. Hmm.
How does that work? The more I do this, the more like I'm blown. My mind is blown. Wait, so word length divide. If you divide, wait. Oh, I hate this. I fucking despise this.
Honestly, I'm so lost at what's going on too.
I fucking despise this. I genuinely hate this. Like, okay, you go through all of this shit. You go through all of this shit. This is what's bugging me. Like, you just
Hmm.
okay. Let me run through the logic, and
Yeah.
I already see that you had like a much more elegant solution. Whatever I'm doing here is much more fucked up. You get the length of the word. You
Yeah.
get the remainder of the length of the word. These are gonna be the numbers. This is in case the amount of letters is not equal, which is gonna be.
Yeah.
That's like factual.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, actually, wait,
Okay. Yeah.
wait. I don't need all. I don't need any of this. I don't need any of that. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, you're pretty
No,
close.
no, this is not correct. Uh, Wait. The fact is, you get the remainder of how many letters there's left. You get the division, the floor of, like, if you divide the word length, the word
Mm-hmm.
itself, the word of the length by 8, you
Yeah.
get how many like equal parts you
Groups of
get in the
eights.
word.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm now realizing that there is a much more elegant solution to this than I have originally thought. I think this needs to be ceiling. This needs to be not this is no, not this is not floor. This is ceiling.
Well, I is less
How do
than
you
division.
uh, uh Python ceiling seal? Okay, I found it. Seal. This should work. Oh, that's a little bit too much. That's a little bit too much. Fuck. This is too much. This is too much. This
Uh,
overruns. This overruns. That's the problem. This overruns.
well,
You
I is
need
less
to
than
get
division. Mm.
it, you need to get the exact number. Like you need to run through. Fuck. Oh, and also, oh, this doesn't work. Oh my god, there's so many reasons why this doesn't work. It doesn't work because, oh my god, this all just, this is get, oh my lord, this is going so bad. Okay, this doesn't work. This was never meant to work, and it would have never worked, because I am doing this really, really not in a smart way. So, uh, you don't do this for, like, you add you add your number of presses is
Mm. Mm-hmm.
8 plus
Times whichever. Oh,
I
like the
I
group
I
that you're on.
I the times 8. So
Times
if you
8.
if you're pressing the first buttons, your number of presses is gonna be, it's,
Oh,
yeah,
I see where you're going with this. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's gonna be 8 plus I times 8, and if you have
Oh.
more, it's gonna be
Oh, frick. And then the
it's gonna be
remainder
more.
times plus, wait, yeah,
No,
okay.
no, no, but this also doesn't work. This also
Num
doesn't work.
prices
This
plus
adds too much.
8.
This adds too much. This adds too much.
What about just
This adds
8 times I plus 1? 8 times I plus 1. So first, 0th round would be 8. First
Yeah,
round would
zero
be,
round would be, yeah,
first round would be 16. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
num rounds,
That I'm pretty sure doesn't
yeah,
work.
num rounds plus, my brain is breaking.
Yeah, same, same. That's what happens when you get like these mathematical like things. This is not particularly hard. This is like this, as I said, this like problem is not particularly hard. You just need to crunch the numbers. Like you literally just need to divide precisely, and you get your solution. It's not
Mhm.
difficult per se. You just want to go. It's gonna be your number of presses. Is gonna be the number of presses plus
Eight,
plus.
8
No,
times
it's not gonna
1,
be. It's not
8
gonna be
times I
8.
minus 1, right?
No, if you no, the I checks how much you should add. Like for
Isn't?
instance, if you're running, if you how should I explain this? If you have a word that is longer than 8 letters,
Mhm.
on the last letter, you'll need to press it twice. You'll need to press
Yeah.
a button twice, certainly. So you need to somehow calculate when you have to press a button twice. So, the best way, or I can do this by just looping through the fucking through. Yeah, I can just do that. Wait, I can just do that. Wait, am I 4 letter in Word? In, yeah, in Word.
Mhm.
I have a much better idea that might be a lot simpler. Word presses equals
Num
zero,
presses. Okay.
zero, num. Uh, Now I just need to check. Uh, Fuck. Again, in
Is
this case,
num
no. In this case, it's gonna be len of range of len of word. We're just gonna iterate it through mathematically because it's gonna be a lot simpler.
okay.
For x in range. So if x, so you add this by dividing. You do this by dividing x by 8. So your num
Hmm.
presses is gonna be equal to 1 plus x
Hmm.
divided by 8.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure. So
Okay.
if I run this, oh, that didn't work. Oh, because fucking hell. This needs to be floored. This needs to be into them floored.
Uh-huh.
So we get an actual, like, this needs to be 0. And this is wrong. This needs to be 0 if it's less than. Okay, so it
1
adds
plus
1 every
8.
time, and then it should add an extra 1,
Oh, num
or
presses plus
whatever.
equals? You're resetting it every time num presses.
Oh, phew. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah.
This should technically work. Theoretically.
Think it might. Oh, oh,
5,
oh, shizzle.
12.
Oh, you got it.
All of this just to write a single loop.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my god, all of this just to write a single loop. Why didn't I think of this like at the very start? This was so fucking easy. Holy shit. I knew what how did you do it? Like I'm actually curious, how did you do it? What did you like what kind of finagling did you do?
Yeah, I can share my screen. You want to submit yours so you can update the scoreboard?
Hmm?
Yeah, I can share my screen. You can
Oh
also
wait, you
submit
didn't
yours.
submit it? Oh, I didn't submit it here. Let
Yeah.
me submit it. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. It's now
My
three,
solution is
four.
in the 019. Wait, is this is good, right? Yeah, I think this is good.
Oh, you beat 100%. That's really good.
Yeah.
You beat 100% of
Because
users. That's super good.
because because this is
Jesus.
super basic. This is super basic.
Dang.
Oh god. Okay, what the fuck did you do? What the
Oh yeah,
hell
I
did
can
you
share
do
my
here?
screen.
My god. My god. What the fuck did you
Dude.
do? Okay, I can't see your screen right now. Oh, because I'm looking at my own. Let me see. What did you do? Pushes button. What is button supposed to track?
This is the button that I'm currently on. So I start at the second button. Every time I get to the ninth button, I reset to the second button and I increase the presses I need for each letter.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
For every single letter in the word, I determine which button it needs to be pressed on. And
Oh my god.
yeah, and then my total pushes is equal to plus equals presses
Uh,
needed.
uh, okay, so
Yeah.
yours is a lot more intuitive because it actually makes sense.
Yeah.
Like, if I was a person, I could actually follow along with your solution. If I showed my solution to a person, they would be like, "What the fuck am I looking at?"
Yeah, but yours is like the wait, did I even beat 100%? I don't remember. But yeah, yours is like the wait, actually it should be the same efficiency. It's still O of n
It
depending
would be
on.
over then. If you loop just over it once, it's gonna be 100%. Like
Yeah.
the drop is gonna be minimal. Like it's gonna be so small. What is this minimum number of moves to seat everyone? There are n number of available seats and n students standing in a room. You are given an array of seats of length n, where seat I is the position I've seat. You are also given array students of length n, where students j is the position of j students. You may perform the following move any number of times. Increase or decrease the position of I student by 1, moving the I student from position x to x plus 1 or x minus 1. Return the minimum number of moves required to move each student to a seat, such that no two students are in the same seat. Note that there may be multiple seats of students in the same position at the beginning. Seats 315, students 274. Explanations. The students are moved as follows. The first student is moved from the position 2 to position 1 using one move. The second student is moved from position... What the fuck am I... What?
But yeah, I thought this was a like a tree backtracking problem at first. Do we actually have to try every single movement of every single student?
I just... What the fuck? You are given an array of seats of length n, where n is the position of the I seat. What the fuck?
Oh, by the way, the time is already up, by the way. Do you want to like...
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
Oh,
I know.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna be doing this problem. No, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
happy.
I thought we were gonna watch you like solve the problem.
No, I'm good. I'm good, fam. I'm good. I'm good. Fuck, man. I swear, if I didn't waste like 20 minutes on the first problem, I could have. To be fair, I wouldn't have solved this problem, this last one. I think I would have been stuck on this one, because this looks a little bit freaking nasty. This looks a little bit nasty. Oh, but no, this is actually. Wait. Am I? Is this? Wait. You just sort these.
Yeah.
Wait, you just sort these lists?
Yeah.
And then you just find the... Wait, no fucking way is this that simple.
Wait, yeah. Are you looking at the hint? I was like, wait,
No,
it's stupidly simple.
no. I'm not looking at the hint. I'm just literally... Wait, I want to do something. Seats, sort, then students dot sort, then moves equals 0, then for item in I can't say item. Item is move students. Oh my god. In students.
Oh shoot. Do you want to share your screen?
Moves.
I'm legit curious what you're doing too.
Okay, yeah, sure. Because I was like, at first I thought, wait, this is gonna be like really hard. Now that I look at it, I'm like, wait, this is like super basic. If my solution is actually like, if my solution is actually even remotely close,
Oh.
equals moves, where moves plus abs of for x in range len
Yeah.
to do this in students x minus seats x return. No way this works.
I think you might actually have gotten it. I think this is it. Oh, never mind.
No, unless I have a runtime error.
Yeah.
Unless I can't spell.
I
feel
think
like
you
I'm
got it
coding in
though.
Google Docs. I feel like I'm coding.
Let's go. Oh.
Holy hell, this was so fucking easy.
Yeah.
At first I was like, oh, this is gonna be really hard. Never mind. The only reason this is like slow is because these sort algorithms take a fuck ton of time. Like that's the only reason why it's slow.
Yeah.
I kind of want a rematch now. Because I'm like, well, this was like super easy.
Yeah. You could have done this one first.
Like the legit, I just wasted a fuck ton of time. Oh my god. Well, that's what you get when you don't code for 6 months.
Wait, this is actually pretty good for not coding for 6 months. You solved everything, like literally everything. I think you're the first person to solve everything so far.
Like, to be fair, these are like, to be fair, these are easy problems.
Yeah,
I
these
wouldn't
are
be able to
easy.
solve. Like these are very, first of all, these are easy and these are algorithm-based problems. If we were talking about data structures, I would be fuck. I don't know shit
Oh,
about data structures. I suck at data structures. This is the only thing that I'm good at. I'm good at like basic maths and shit. This is what I'm good at. Nothing else. Oh my god. Fucking hell. I kind of want a rematch, but I don't believe you have time for that.
I do have time for a rematch. I mean, next time maybe, not like
No,
now,
no,
in the future. Yeah.
no. I was talking about now. I was talking about like right now, but
Oh,
uh,
yeah, I definitely don't have time for that. In the future, though,
oh my
we
god,
can
I
totally
want
do
a
a
rematch.
rematch.
Just holy hell, I know I can do this. Like, retrospect,
Yeah.
like this was the only reason this problem I took so long is because I was looking for how functions worked. I was like, for the longest time, I couldn't get the max function to work. I couldn't get this
Oh.
to work. This is like, and fucking, how good is this? I think this is not. This is like really horrible on complexity. It's like really
Hmm.
bad at like time.
Oh. Wait, do
It's
you want to explain your algorithm actually? I'm pretty curious
Yeah, this is
for
like
this one.
super slow. This beats 5%. No, the algorithm is actually really trash. You get like a list, an empty list where you're gonna store all your numbers. You
Uh-huh.
just go through every like number. You go like you then check, use the find function to check if there's an index for a substring of the three numbers. This
Huh.
basically returns you a string that is the same
Oh,
like element
I
repeated three
see.
times. So
Uh-huh.
if a define returns -1, that means there's no substring for that. So if there
I
is a
see.
substring, then you add it, and then if it's not, then if you check if it's not, if the goods is empty, then you return an
Hmm.
empty string. If the largest, the max is 0, you return 000 because the max for the max what you call it, the max function to work, all the elements need to be ints,
Yeah.
so you can't just add, yeah, and else you just return the max number. It's really freaking basic, but like it's horrible in complexity. It's horrible in
Mm.
runtime, like so bad. Like, I feel like
I mean,
if I analyze complexity, it would be like horrible. That's why I'm like at the bottom, like solution of runtime. You could definitely do this just by like going through the list once, like you just
yeah.
going like straight through the list and just checking if the next like adding like having a list and having another list and just adding numbers to a string if they're, yeah, I mean this solution works well. I
Hmm.
think you could do it definitely a lot easier. And for
Hmm.
this, I don't even know what my thingamajigger was for this.
Find
I think this
target
was all,
indices. Oh. Oh, you sorted it. Nice.
yeah.
Wait, it's that fast still? Jesus.
Even though I sorted it.
Wait, how? I don't understand.
Oh my god, that's why I was so like freaking confused. I was like, wait, so you just like the thing is like the description is like, what if you sorted? And I was like,
Sure.
just sort it. I'll just sort it then. Like, what? I don't see the issue here. Like, I'll
Wait,
just
I thought
sort
the
it.
runtime would be really trash if you sorted. I guess not. I did not sort it. Wait, I would have done it the sorting way too if I knew it would be okay too and it wouldn't time out. Huh.
No, because
You know what?
well, the thing is with Python and Python functions, they're optimized, so they sort pretty well. But I feel like Java also has like sort function, so it wouldn't matter. Like, what's the fucking difference?
Huh.
Yeah, that's
Because
that's
I
kind of another
thought,
thing that, yeah, I've also thought that like it would time out. I was like, oh, they're gonna give me like a thousand like length array, and
uh-huh.
after sorting, it's gonna be like it took like a minute, and it's gonna be a travesty. But no, it was like it's super simple.
Dang. No, I would have done this too if I knew it would.
Yeah, this was so simple. When I read it, I was like, man, no way, it is this easy. I'm still mad that I spent so long on this. This was so easy. You don't need any of this. You just need. Oh my God, this was so easy.
It
It's
was.
like I just add one plus. Oh my fucking God! I
Yeah.
swear it's so fucking easy. It's so fucking easy.
The pain.
Oh,
Uh,
bro, Chet, I'm gonna whoop your ass next time. I'm gonna fucking whoop your ass. I'm gonna destroy you. If you do this again, I'm gonna destroy you.
oh,
Uh,
sounds like a challenge.
mark my words. Mark my words. I'm gonna fucking destroy you. Oh
I
my God.
I'm down to do another one. You're like, yeah, I'm actually so down to do another one. I've never had a contestant solve all four problems at once, so once you actually get your, rhythm together, it's gonna be a pretty exciting match.
Yeah, well, we have to do this like pretty soon, or else I'm gonna forget all of this again because I'm not gonna remember. The thing is, the thing with coding I noticed is that the important thing is to learn logic. It's not to learn like for these at least for these sort of problems. The important thing is to know the logic and not the syntax. If you know the logic, the syntax doesn't matter. You can figure out the syntax because
Yeah,
there's
for
tools for
sure.
everything. Like you can find tools for sorting. You can find tools for floors. You can find
Yeah.
tools for rounding, for random numbers, for everything,
Mm.
for finding lengths, for whatever you need. You don't need to code any of that yourself. You just need to know the basic like the pseudocode. If you know the
Yeah.
pseudocode, you can pretty much code it like hands like full on.
Yeah.
It really doesn't matter.
Yeah. You literally called dot sort for like two of these problems, right? It's like so
Yeah.
convenient.
I
Yeah,
don't
I
know
think I
how to
did
sort
that
a
too.
list. Like I don't know how to sort. I could bubble sort it. It would take forever, but I could.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, no need to re-implement like merge sort or stupid quick sort from scratch. I don't actually know how to do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, same.
Hmm.
I think I have implemented like bubble sort like a couple of times in my life, but like it's not a fun process. It's like the same. It's the same thing with like implementing a binary search. It's like you you definitely can. It's definitely a possibility. You really
Hmm.
shouldn't do it. Like you really shouldn't.
Yeah. Now we can just do dot sort. Very convenient.
Yeah. Fucking okay. Anyways, thanks so much for inviting me. Like, thank you so much for like inviting me, setting this all up. This was kind of fun. This was actually I kind of felt like I felt the
Yeah,
rush of like
I
enjoying
know,
this. This
right?
was kind of like a fun brain teaser. This was like, man, I had fun. I started getting into the group at the start. I was like, man, I'm gonna. You'll see my like my whole whatchamacallit my like POV, you'll see me losing my mind. You'll
Wait,
see me losing my mind on the first problem. It's gonna be so much fun to like edit and to like see what the fuck happened. But
yeah.
man,
Wait, yeah,
fucking
I'm so excited to see your footage too. Before you made it, you were like raging about dynamic programming too. It's like, what's going on there?
oh
But yeah,
god.
thank you so much for coming on. This was really cool. You're like, again, you have the highest score of any contestant so far, 4 of 4. This is,
Wow.
I'm not joking. So
Oh my
yeah,
god.
I'm
Wow.
so down to do a rematch. This is gonna be, yeah, a rematch with the fully in rhythm Nirino is gonna be really cool and exciting.
Oh god. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for inviting me. This was really fun. I really like this. This was like actually I might steal this
Yeah,
idea in the future.
go ahead, steal it. Invite me too, if you want.
Because this was really fun. So yeah, thank you so much for letting me join in. Are you ending stream right now, or are we like?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna end it soon too. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. Thanks for being a really cool opponent too. Thanks for everyone who came in the chat. I appreciate. All right.
All right.
Oh, do you have anything you want to plug or like
I have
announce?
nothing. I have unless you want to follow me on my Twitch, but I don't do a lot of coding on my Twitch actually. So if you're looking for coding related content, you're not gonna find it. And also, I'm very like in what's the word? I'm very not. I don't stream on a consistent basis. Like I try to, but I'm not
Mm,
very consistent in my streaming activity. So even then, it's like I can't in a good like in a good conscience tell people like, yeah, follow me. I stream so often. It's like, no, I stream like not often enough for people for people to follow.
That's because you have a real job and a real life. Oh,
Wow.
wow.
I definitely could stream more consistently because I'm just every time I want to stream, I'm like, man, I'm lazy. Fuck, but every time I stream, I have a good time. So it's like
Mm.
it works out in the end. Anyways, thank you so much for inviting me. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you. I can't wait for another invite. I said I'm a fucking beat your ass next time. I swear to
Yeah,
God.
beat my butt. Let's go.
No,
All right,
I'm joking.
bye.
It's all banter. It's all banter. It's bants.
I know, I know. I understand trash talk.
Okay. Okay.
All right, thank
All
you.
right.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you. Oh, that was so cool. He was probably, yeah, he's probably the best contestant so far. 4 of 4. Jesus. He might actually have a chance of flipping me next time. All right. Thank you for everyone for coming. Do I have any more battles scheduled? Oh, next week. Yeah, next week is 3 Prime Tournament Arc 1. Oh, Tournament Arc. Yeah, multiple people at the same time. Next week is actually really exciting. CJ's coming back. Yeah, the first ever person who came on this coding battle show. Yeah, it was a tie then too. There cannot be a tie. There must be a winner. Yeah, CJ is coming back for a rematch next week. It's gonna be pretty cool. We tied last time. 2-2. The problems are so hard. But yeah, watch out for that, and thank you everyone for coming. I'm gonna end the stream now. Bye. See ya. Is anyone streaming right now? Can I raid anyone? Brime is freaking streaming. Alright guys. Wait a moment while I launch you to Brime. Brime. What is Brime doing? Karaoke with friends. Oh. Alright, I'm sending you Brime's way. See ya.
Summertime. All right, next up we got
It's
MOBA.
weekend. Like,
Holy shit!